Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick direction on how to do today's work. So we have been working on tally charts and bar graphs. Today we're going to do a little activity that really shouldn't take too long at all. It's called heads or tails. And what you need for this activity is a coin. It doesn't even have to be a penny if you can't find one of them laying around, just any old coin. What you're doing today is you are flipping a penny. When it lands on heads, remember heads would be this side right here, the side with the president's face on it, you're going to mark that off on the bar graph. If you flip it and it lands on tails, you're going to mark that it landed on tails that time. When you're finished with that part, you're going to answer the two questions. Did you flip heads or tails more? And then you're going to answer, how many times did you flip the coin? So I'm just going to give a little quick run through of this. So let's say I flipped the coin and it landed on this side. So I would mark off heads, or I could fill in the whole rectangle if I wanted to. Then I flipped it again and I landed on heads. Great. Flipped it again, landed on tails. You are not going to stop flipping the coin and marking it until one of them reaches the top. So let's say I keep getting heads, heads, heads. Oh, but then I got tails, then I got heads, heads. Oh, then I got tails again, heads, tails, and then I got heads again. Okay, well, heads reached the top first, so I will stop. Did you flip heads or tails more? Well, if we look at my graph, I see that the highest one is heads, so I will either circle heads or I can color in the penny with the heads. And then how many times did you flip the coin? Well, I can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. I flipped the coin 13 times. And that's it. As soon as that is done, just take a picture and post it to your portfolio. Thanks.